Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you our homeschool setup and just everything I love about it. I'm super excited to share this space with you guys. So a couple years ago I had our homeschool room down in the basement in a room down there, but I find that I like to do school at the kitchen table. I think it's just a lot more practical, easier, and I love this space. And I love just gathering around the table and doing school together. So here is our dining room table. It's all decorated for fall. And then over here is our homeschool area. So I just have everything set up here. Each of my kids has a cart. And I'm just gonna go over what everything is. So, starting off, we have this sign from Hobby Lobby. It says, "Let all that you do be done in love." And then down here is our homeschool setup. I absolutely love everything that I have. I will link down below in the description if you're interested. So starting off, we just have this wooden holder where we keep markers, crayons, colored pencils, glue sticks, and scissors. Super accessible. We can just put it on the table and the kids can use it. Back here I just have some of my things. I've got dry erase markers, permanent markers, and then pens. And I just put everything in these mason jars because I think it just looks a lot nicer. Then here is our calendar area, and this calendar is actually from Treasures by Jennifer. I will link it down below. We love it. It is the Montessori color scheme. It's such good quality, so beautiful. She hand paints everything. So we've got all the months and they just flip. And then we've got the holiday coins, the weather coins. I just love it. I'm obsessed and the kids really enjoy it as well. And like I said, it's super high quality, beautifully painted. She just does such a good job with everything. I love it. Then here is where we keep our character cards. So Mason has a set, Presley has a set. Each day they focus on one of the character cards. Mason is focusing on the golden rule and Presley on honesty. So we keep those set up right there so the kids can see them and remember what they're focusing on. Here I have a sensory bin and I will link this down below as well. And then I've just got extra pieces, the corn, and some more manipulatives to go with that. And then in our drawers, this is my drawer. So I've got colored pencils, tape, extra glue sticks, extra glue, more pencils, a couple more dry erase markers, a bunch of highlighters, an eraser, and then I keep stickers here for when the kids do a really good job. And then I just have some note cards and a stapler. And then in this drawer, we've got some little fall crafts that the kids did. And then these are all color books and paint books. Presley really loves to use these. So does Mace. Presley a little bit more. And then we've got Mason's pencil case, which is full of colored pencils. 2 things of paint here. That's what we've got in there. I'm not going to open this one because I still need to organize it and it's a bunch of junk if I'm being honest. And then here we'll go over the cart. And I'm actually going to do an in-depth video showing the curriculum that I chose for this year. So I'm just going to quickly show you the cart in this video, and then watch for my next video will be the curriculum that we're using. So in this cart on top is all the subjects that Mason does daily. And then he has his pencil box, which just has pencils, erasers, glue stick, glue, and scissors, and he knows to just grab that and he has it for the day. So then in here are all the subjects that he does daily. Down here are anything extra that he needs. So he's got his space science journal and folder. He's got a folder where we put work, a couple books, some extra activities he can work on, his math box, his what are they called? His phonics card, or are they phonics cards? Yeah, I think that's what they're called. Then we've got a couple books that we rotate through and some spelling rules. Down here is everything of mine. So I've got my planners, my grade book, and then I've got all my lesson, curriculum lesson plans, and then a big binder for space science. Then here he has his lap desk, and these are some visuals that go with our history, and then some bigger map visuals as well. And I just keep everything right here. It works super well, and I'm enjoying it. Alright guys, so over here is Presley's cart, and she is doing preschool, so I mainly focus on play with her, but she does have some worksheets and a book that she follows and some fun activities. So on the top she has her folder and her lesson, her preschool book with her lessons.
And her play, and my playing thing.
Yep, and she's got her little activities, some matching games, some mazes and I Spies.
Yeah, and some ABCs and numbers.
Yep, and down here are some more of her activities. She really loves those.
Those, yeah.
Yep, and on the bottom I just have a 3-hole punch, some staplers, and there's her chalkboard and lap desk back there as well. And then I just have some crafty things down here and a book we're not really using right now. Then over here in the corner we have our dry erase board, and it has a chalkboard on the other side as well. On space science right now, so this is kind of doubling as our like bulletin board, and then on the back is a chalkboard, so we just pull that over as needed. And then down here we just have some paints and art stuff that the kids tend to use a lot, so I just keep it right there. Like I said, I really love just doing everything at the dining room table. I feel like it just keeps us closer and we don't have to walk all the way downstairs. It sounds funny, but when you just have everything in one spot where you can just easily go to, I feel like it just flows better. And the dining room table is a place we spend a lot of time, and it just works, and it's bright and cheery, and we love it. So that is our homeschool space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will link everything down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like, comment. I'd love to chat with you guys, and check the description for links to any of this stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later.